Hi everyone, this is Jessica from Tasty Meditation. For Celiac Awareness Month, one of the things I wanted to do is talk about 20 parts per million and try and figure out what that means and what that really looks like. Beyond Celiac came out with a really great getting started guide for celiac disease and understanding the gluten-free diet, and they talked a lot about it and gave some really good information. So I wanted to try and take that and visualize it through video a little bit for us. So I have some handy visual aids because I'm a visual person. 20 parts per million means 20 milligrams out of 1 million milligrams. Beyond Celiac says, if a 1 ounce slice of bread contains 20 parts per million gluten, it contains approximately 1/2 milligram of gluten, 0.56 milligrams. So I have a really nifty, very sensitive kitchen scale. Most kitchen scales will measure in 1 gram, 2 gram. Mine is 0.01, but that's still not sensitive enough to measure milligrams. So we have to do a little bit of math. So 1 milligram equals 0.001 grams. Trying to get 20 parts per million there, 0.56 milligrams equals 0.00056 grams. That's still too small because my scale will only measure to this number here. So we had to find a number to multiply it by to try and get up to something that my scale will read. So we're going to find something that's actually bigger than 20 parts per million. So I chose the number 18 because that brings me to 0.01, which is what my scale can measure. And that's actually about 360 parts per million. So that's going to be a lot. So here's the fun part. This bread is about 1 ounce, roughly the size that Beyond Celiac mentioned. All of the ingredients that I'm using are gluten-free because this is my kitchen. So we're measuring coconut flour. So my scale is set, and here we go. Okay, so 0.01 is still a difficult measurement to get because it's so sensitive and so small. So we got 0.06. I've done a little math for us ahead of time for this instance, and this is about 2,160 parts per million. That's 108 times what we're looking for. To give you a visual, here we go. That little sprinkling of flour, divide that by, did I say 108? And that's 20 parts per million. So when you look at that compared to a slice of bread, that's really not very much. That's so small. So when someone says, oh, you could have just a bite, right? Really can't. So I hope this has been helpful. I hope it's been informative, and happy Celiac Awareness Month. Keep spreading good information. Bye.